Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where simplify big problem into brilliant tricks. Today I will show you 5 ACT questions, each solved in 1 minute with zero memorization and 100% logic. If you are a student from US, Canada, UK, India or Pakistan, this is for you. Question number 1 is 3m by 8 plus 2m by 3 equals to what? We have to find the value of m. So, this will becomes taking the LCM of 8 and 3, that is 24. So, by solving this, 8 divided by 24, we will get 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 9m plus 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So 9m plus 16m is 25. So 25m by 24. This will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 2. Next question is find the value of 3x plus 4y whole square. In this question, we will apply the basic formula of algebra, that is a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. We will apply this formula in this question and we will get 3x square plus 2 into 3x into 4y plus 4y square. So this will be equal to the 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve next question. Now the next question is find the value of mod 2 minus 7 into mod minus 3 plus 8. We will solve this question step by step as 2 minus 7 will be minus 5 multiplied by 8 minus 3 is 5. So mod of minus 5 will be positive 5. So 5 multiply 5, that is equals to 25. So 25 will be the answer. Now we will solve the next question. Now the next question is find the value of tan theta into cos theta divided by sin theta. So here we apply the formula of tan theta. We know that tan theta is equals sin theta over cos theta. We will apply this identity in this question as sin theta by cos theta is multiplied by cos theta and divided by the sin theta. So all the terms are cancelled out and we will get 1. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the next question. So the next question is 3 root x raised to power minus 2 by 3. We will solve this and we know that this identity as n root x equals x raised to power 1 over n. So here we have n is equal to 3. So we will write this expression as x raised to power 1 over 3 divided by x raised to power minus 2 over 3. So we will get x equals to 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Because we know this formula that x raised to power minus n will be equal to 1 over x raised to power plus n. Here we have negative in the denominator and when we solve this it will become positive. Now by taking the LCM of this we will get x equals to 3 1 plus 2 and x raised to power 3 by 3 which means x. So this will be the answer. So if this helped you think smarter, not harder, like and subscribe Math Solver 1117 for more educational videos. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.